badly. I was a wakehead. Did you think that was going to be some kind of a sympathy kiss? That I'm not incredibly attracted to you?
You said you wanted to repay me, right?
Yes, I did, but I certainly didn't.
Look, Josh, this whole thing between us, we both know that it's mostly coming from me.
That's not true.
It is true, and I did something nice for your daughter, and now you're feeling beholden to me, you know? Poor nut job Olivia. However will I make her feel good about herself?
Is that what you think I see when I look at you?
I know it is.
No. You are in need of a serious reality check.
You know, I can't take any more of your condescending attitude, so why don't you just get out of here?
And you just got to work on this feeling you have that you're not worthy,
hey,
or whatever that is.
Because any more advice before you leave? Because
good
no, forget it. Just get out of here.
Okay, so you are kicking me out then?
Yes, so it would seem.
You're kicking me out because I care about you, and because I want to kiss you. You know, I'm trying to simplify this, but you're trying to make it more complicated. So I guess we'll just have to forget about it.
Olivia, that was so stupid. You're crazy about him. Why did you do that? Oh, don't you wait. What are you thinking?
I'm just, I'm just hoping that you're okay with this, and, that you know how much I care about you.
I couldn't tell. living in this little room.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You see, right about now, I'm loving this room.
Oh. Well, you know, tomorrow, we could go looking for an apartment together. We could find a great little place to live, and I could buy dishes. And I'm joking. Congrats. I'm joking. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have vetted to take this honorable fella. I know what this was, Josh. I know what it wasn't. And I'm fine. So let's not either one of us spoil it by worrying it to death, okay?
Well, it does complicate things just a bit. I am your boss, after all, and I've always discouraged inter-office relationships.
You don't have an office.
Good point.
Then I won't tell the boss if you won't.
Well, it's still complicated. I just don't want there to be any problems with Billy or Matt. The company's still pretty new, you know.
So, what, you just pretend like this never happened? Oh, God. That is what you want. You want to pretend like this never happened.